In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email marketing reports in Hubspot, a process that should take us about 5 minutes. If you're looking to get insights into how your email campaigns are performing, understanding these reports is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage, open your web browser and type in hubspot.com to get to their primary site. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the website. You should see the login button. Give that a click to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials such as your email address and password to access your Hubspot account. It's important to ensure you have the correct login details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups here. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Hubspot home, the central hub where you can manage various aspects of your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. From this homepage, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This section will provide you with a broader context and include the tools you may need during your trial or as part of your current plan. Now, we're going to focus on the area specific to reporting. In the trial guide section, find and click on reporting. This will take you to a more specialized part of HubSpot that's dedicated to various analyses and reports. Once you're in the reporting tab, you need to look for the option labeled reports. Clicking on this will open up the list of available reports for you to browse. At this stage, you are very close to viewing the specific email marketing reports. You should look for and select the marketing reports section. This is where the magic happens, and you'll find an array of options that provide insights into your email marketing efforts. Remember, these reports can offer you crucial data on open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. Utilizing these reports effectively can guide you in making data-driven decisions to enhance your marketing strategies. If you're new to these tools, take some time to explore different metrics and reports available under the marketing section. In conclusion, by following these straightforward steps, you can effectively navigate HubSpot to access and analyze your email marketing reports, paving the way for improved marketing campaigns in the future. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stick around for more tips and guides on optimizing your marketing strategies with HubSpot.